So my name is VivianVixxen, as you may have guessed in the meantime. Welcome to my channel and this early birthday present unboxing. As you saw, we already unboxed the Monocenthropus balfouri, and this was actually part of the 2 slings that I got from my friends, Niels, Melissa and Matthijs from Tarantula Hub. Thank you guys so much. I seriously appreciate it. You guys knew that these were like really high up on my list of tarantulas that I wanted. So yeah, I'm really happy. We're gonna unbox the second sling now. It's the, I hope I say this right, the Phytobrachys natanicharum. We formerly knew this one as the species electric blue from Thailand. And yeah, I guess let's unbox this little thing. So, as you can see, I've already fooled around a bit with some cork bark. What I want to achieve here is to have a hide up higher and a hide up low here in the corner. So let's fill this up with some substrate. I'm making a mess. I'm always making a mess, but that's alright. I'll clean that up later. There we go. Oops. Should be careful. Okay. Is that going to be enough substrate, or do we want a little more? Let's see what this does. It's still a really tiny sling, so this should be fine for this time. I think we need a little bit more substrate. Maybe this is enough what's still living here. More in this corner, more in that corner. I always like to have a paintbrush on hand. Always works pretty well to get the substrate out of tiny spots that you can't reach with your hands. Well, that should do fine, I think. This isn't really high up as I was hoping. Let's see if we can put some substrate under that to get it up higher. I'm making such a mess. I'm sorry. This way around. How did I get substrate on top of this? There we go. That's better. Let's clean up this mess a bit. Okay, back to this enclosure. I need some plants, some decoration. Let's see. Okay. Let's put one here. And let's put one in the back. Just like that. Now, just as the above 4 these guys are heavy weathers, so we want to give them a lot of anchor points. And that's what I use the fake plants for. And put one right over here. Yeah, I like that. Alright, and I think it is time. Let's see how this little thing is doing. It is really tiny. You can't even see it. It's like all the way down there. Don't mind the dirty hands. I've been in substrate all day. Okay, I'm a little scared. What's gonna happen? Let's hope it's nice and calm. But I have a feeling it won't be. Let's just hope it doesn't make a run for it. Put that there. Very carefully, you're going to try to squeeze it out, and hopefully it will come running out. Hello? Are you there? I don't want to crush you. Oh, yeah, I see some movement. Oh, don't want it to come out on this side. Oh no, we got the plant hooked. Okay, let's try this one more time. Yeah, something's coming out. I'm gonna watch very carefully what I'm doing. Get this close. Oh, I'm sorry. Get the catch cup close for if it makes a run for it. And then it's all hands on deck. Can't worry about the camera at that point. You gotta forgive me. There we go. It's slowly coming out. Good. Careful. Go on, bud. Oh, you're so tiny. Oh, you are so, so tiny. Oh, dear Lord. Where is it? Did it go back? No, it's still hanging out. I can't see it. Oh, it got back in again. Let's try this again. Come on, little dude. Get out. You gotta get out. No, you gotta get out. Go on. Go for a little walkie walk in your new enclosure. Please don't run out. I'm just gonna put this here. Oh shit. Oh no, we're good. No. this in. There we go. It's hiding here. Oh, there it is. I didn't even notice it. Oh. Let's see if we can zoom in a little. And it's gone again. Hi. Well, welcome back. Then now for a little surprise giveaway. In honor of the fact that we have reached 100 subscribers. I'm completely amazed at how fast it has gone. Thank you all so much. It's really appreciated. And in honor of that, and also because of the fact that it's my birthday month and it's Halloween, so I wanted to do a little bit back for my subscribers. And if you want to have a chance of winning this, just leave a comment down below and let me know you want to have a chance of winning it. And I'll be announcing a winner on the 14th of October on my Instagram. Now, if you want to see what I made, I hope you're going to like it. This is not the only one. They come in a set of 3. Let's see if we can make it focus on it a bit. Doesn't really want to focus. But yeah, you get the idea. It's a little pumpkin. You can use these as decoration in your terrariums. As you might have seen already on my Instagram, I made already a couple of these for myself. And I've been using them the last Halloweens. And I thought it was a nice gesture to make these. This is the second one. This one was supposed to be like a little rotten pumpkin. You know, it's got the little green spots of mold on it. Just a little joke. It's cut open. And then the third one is this one. Like I said, I make these all by hand. So yeah, I hope you like those. Don't forget to check out my Instagram on the 14th of October for the announcement of the winner. And yeah, that was the first video with me in it. I was very nervous. You probably could have seen that already. But yeah, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next video.